Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do this neutral brown daytime festive look. If you want to make this more dramatic, wear a beautiful red lipstick. But since this is a daytime festive look for me, I am keeping my lips light with a nude lipstick. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So first I'm starting with this mid-tone orange shade and I'm picking this color with the flat side of my brush, making sure that I'm taking in very small amounts, and then as I'm going further, I'm going to slowly build this color until I see it has warmed up my crease. Okay, so once I see my crease has warmed enough, I am picking this light chocolate brown to further add depth in my crease. So why we're doing this is because if we go straight into using the dark color in crease, it's not gonna look smoothly blended and it's gonna look more choppy. So we are going from the lightest shade to the darkest brown. As you can clearly see, I am slowly defining my crease line, nothing more. This look is so simple, you need no expertise at all basically, and that is my motto for this video, for this look to be incredibly easy yet looking elegant for beginners or anyone who just want to try this look. Okay, so next I'm picking this warm brown shade that it has more of orange and red tones. You can basically pick up your bronzer and then it will work for this look. I just wanted my crease to be looking a little bit teensy bit red tone and also provide a base for the next darkest brown shade because it has a red undertone. Okay, I'm realizing if I keep talking about color schemes and how I pick colors, it can be really confusing for you. So ignore what I said. Basically, what I'm doing is I just want some red tones in my crease, so I'm just blending it on top of the light chocolate brown. Okay, so now only I'm going into this darkest brown because if I had gone with it first itself, my crease blending would not have looked so smooth as it is looking right now. You cannot tell where it started, where it ended. So I didn't make you sit through all other those shades for a waste. You need all other shades to provide a base for the darkest shade that you will use finally. And this dark brown that I have here, I will use it only in the outer V of my eye and not entirely in the crease or on my lid, so just in the corners. Next I'm gonna take the same brush which I used for my transition or the first shade with no additional product, just to diffuse any harsh lines above my crease if there are any. Now I'm gonna pick this peach gold kind of shade to go in the center of my lid. First I will use my finger to pack this shimmer shade in the center, then I will slowly diffuse it or blend it around the edges with a small brush. Okay, so now I'm almost done with my eyes. I will be back with foundation and concealer on after 2 minutes just behind the camera, so I'll be just back. Okay, so now that I'm done, let's do our lower lash. I'm going to use this light chocolate brown to shade my entire lower lash line with a pencil like brush. And then I'm picking the darkest brown shade for the outer end of lower lash on a more flat brush. Okay, so next, as I said, I mean this look for daytime. I'm using a nude lipstick for which I'm using this Nika lipstick in shade Top Thrill. And if you want to turn this into a night look, you can wear a bright red lipstick. It would look fab with this eye. You have a neutral eye and a red lipstick is the best combination that I know. Okay, so after this I did all the things behind camera, like highlighting my cheekbones, contouring, little bit blush and all of that. So this is the finished look, and please don't mind my hair, it's always messy. I cannot do anything about it. And I wanted to wear fancy dress and jewelry, but since we are shifting and everything is packed in boxes, I couldn't. And this is me in front of the window, just to give you an idea how this looks in proper lighting. So this is me. So if you like this video, please hit a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to bring more festive looks for you. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.